Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to tell you a moral story. After this you will never lose your confidence. Once, there was a boy, lived in a city of Kolkata. He was preparing for UPSC and had given already 2 attempts. And the result of his 3rd attempt was that day. But sadly, he loses again. He was very upset. He was totally broken. He thought himself a failure. He thought that he can never achieve success. He goes to tell his father about his result. His father was planting trees in the garden. He said, Dad already guessed his result by looking at his face. Varun said, Dad, I'm fail, and started crying. Then Dad came to him and told that, my son, don't cry. You tried a lot, next time you will surely crack UPSC. Varun said, no Dad, I think I can't. UPSC is not in my luck, I guess. I have so many friends who cracked it in their first attempt, but don't know why I can't. Then Dad tell him, look at this mango tree, if I doesn't water it every day or think like, it will never grow. Then I will left with no fruits. But I waited for it to grow, to bear fruits. If I thought that it is taking a lot of time and stop taking care of it, then this tree must not be here. My son, a papaya tree takes less time to grow, on the other hand a mango tree takes more. So everything has their own time to reach their target, to grow, to nourish. If you think like just give exams and gets results, it's not that much easy dear. You have to give efforts every day, and then you will get fruits. With a smiling face, Varun answered, yes Dad, you are right. I should give more efforts and have patience.
Recently we are hitting 1000 subscribers. Thank you a lot guys.